8 hours of sleep, still tired. Why? Because the real rest isn't just physical, it's mental, emotional, and even spiritual. Remember that I said that there is a better way to relax than alcohol. This is it. Yoga Nidra is a guided meditation that's like a power nap for your brain. It reduces stress, restores energy, and even improves your focus and creativity. Do it between work blocks or when you hit mental fatigue. Even 20 to 30 minutes can give you Olympic level recovery. I highly recommend trying it, and if you want a guided version from me, comment below guide and I will make it happen. What is your future self? It's the clearest version of your future that you wanna. It reduces anxiety and gives yourself direction. Trust me. I was diagnosed with clinical depression and anxiety. But when I created a vision of my life 5 years from now, what I feel, what am I doing, with whom are you, what do I eat, something changed. Write it down and reread it every day. Feel it, live it, let it guide you. Because without vision, you are drifting. Before I was not focused. A lot of distracting thoughts was in my head, and I found meditation. Here's the technique. Sit in a comfortable position, close your eyes, start breathing, and feel the air going in and out your nose. No thoughts, just feeling. Start by doing 5 to 10 minutes. Once you quiet your mind, it's time to organize your thoughts with journaling. If you get just a little better each day, even 1%, it makes a big changes in a year. It's called compound growth, and it's real, and it's 37% a year. First is anxiety and quieting your mind technique. Before you go to sleep, just give yourself 20 minutes of preparation. Just sit, dump all your thoughts on paper for 10 minutes. After, walk away. After 10 minutes, reread it, write one sentence in summary, and flush it. It's hard to keep all thoughts and ideas in mind. So I invented my journaling technique. You need to create second memory for yourself. Here's my invention of journaling, and there are 2 steps. The second one is achieve everything you want method. Write a calendar and add some things that you must do every day, like meditations, journaling, reading, etc. Write your month goals on the second page. When you meditate or practicing Yoga Nidra, you are not being lazy. You are recharging the systems that drives everything, your mind. And when you track your progress daily with a goal calendar, you remind yourself, I'm not lost, I'm on a path. So don't wait for the perfect moment, and start with one breath, one habit, and one page. Let's building, let's rise. If this hits you, drop a comment, subscribe, and share it with someone else who is on a path of personal growth. Your future self is counting on you. Have a good flight.